Good morning students, welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School Vimitra. Today we are going to study report writing. I have taught you 4 writing skills of 10 marks. Sorry, 3 writing skills of 10 marks earlier. Today is the 4th one. Remember I taught you article writing, speech writing, then debate writing, and today is report writing. Now, in a very brief manner, I discriminate or I differentiate between all these 4. Article writing. Remember, article writing is what? Article writing is your own viewpoint, okay? And it is published in the newspaper. Similarly, report writing is also published in a newspaper. So, what is the difference between article writing and report writing? Report is something which is published after the event happens, okay, and it might be any event, it might be any incident, okay. When you early in the morning, when you open the newspaper, you see a number of news in the newspaper. Somewhere it says that there was a fire broke out in the slum area, okay, a robbery done, accident. So all these incidents which happened, or somewhere it is said that the event, okay, there was inauguration of so and so thing. So the event which occurs or the incident which happens is published in the newspaper. That is report writing. And what is article writing? Article writing is your own views. Okay, you collect the data and then you publish it in the newspaper. And speech, when you deliver the august gathering, that is speech. And debate, when you debate or you argue on some certain point in front of the gathering, that is debate. So I hope the 4 things are very much clear in your mind. So today we are going to do report writing. You can see as it is written over here, a report writing is a description of event. Okay, description, that means we describe the entire event, okay, or incident. Now, I'll again clear you what are the reports which are published in the newspaper and what are the reports which are published in the magazines. Okay. Magazines report are generally of school. Okay. Generally published in a school. So, magazine report are generally published for schools. Okay, school magazines. For example, the school is organizing a drama. The school has organized the Holi celebration. The school has organized a drawing competition. The school has organized a debate. Okay, so all these report, then you make a report. Okay, sports activities, annual function, sports day. So all these things are published in the magazine which is of the school, and such reports are called of the events. Such reports are of the events. Okay, and the reports published in the newspaper are the incidents, and the incidents can be any. The incidents might be of the incident might be of accident. Okay, accidental. It might be a fire broke out. Okay, some great celebrities or great personalities or personalities. Demise means death. Okay, or inauguration of something. Okay, so these kinds of reports are, suppose inauguration of science exhibition. Okay, so such kinds of reports are published in the newspaper for the people to know what is happening around them. Clear? Very clear to you, children? So I clearly explained you that what is report writing and where it is published. Okay, and what are the kinds? The two kinds. One for the defined readers and other for the general readers. Okay. So all these things are clear to you. Now I will teach you how to write a report. So there is some format of report writing. There are certain points which are to be kept in mind, and at the end I will solve one example for you. Okay. So let's start. Take out your pen and notebook, please, and just note down everything which I am giving you, so that it becomes easy for you. Whenever you open the notebook, you just have it in front of you, all the content. Okay, so children, while writing a report, there are certain points. First, I will tell you the points which should be kept in mind. Points to remember. Okay. Point number 1. Now, point number 1, correctness of facts. Correctness of facts here means whenever you are writing a report, you need to have the correct information. Okay. Suppose, for example, okay, it's not that funny. I'm just making it a bit hilarious, humorous. Suppose there was an accident and a person named Rakesh Agarwal, okay, age 45. Met with an accident. Okay, his bike collided with a bus and he expired. Okay, now if you don't have the correct information and instead of Rakesh Agarwal you write Mukesh Agarwal and age so and so, so that means you are not a good reporter. Okay, and that means that is not the correct information. So correctness of facts, that means the authenticity clear. Concise, factual, and clear. Okay, so you don't have to elaborate too much. Fix to the points what happened, that I'll explain you later on, and very clear whatever you want to narrate. Number 3, place where the incident took place and the date on which the incident took place. This is also very important. Number 4, use reported speech. Reported speech means indirect speech, not the direct speech. Okay, indirect means that not we use a third form. Okay, the indirect speech means we use the third form. Okay, then the 5th point is it should be written. Report is all. This is very important point. Report is always written in past. Why past? Why past? Because the incident or the event already took place, and we are writing what has already happened. So we have to write it in past. And the last point is style of writing. That means in what style you write. Style of writing should be engrossing. Style of writing should be engrossing, so that it sustains. Engrossing means what? Anything. Suppose if you are narrating a story to your friend and you explain it in such a manner that your friend is so much shocked and open his mouth and listen to you very carefully, like this. Okay, so engrossed means totally engrossed into it, totally paying attention to what you are saying or what you are writing or what you have written. Okay, so that the style of writing should be engrossing, so that it sustains the interest of the reader. Okay, so these are the 6 points, children. Note it down as fast as you can in your notebook. Okay, after that I'll tell you how to write a report. Okay, see, actually if you become a reporter, now children, here is 2 things. When you sit for an exam, a question is given to you in a question paper, and after reading the question you have no time to collect the facts or the data. Okay, to collect the data, because that is a fake question and you have to create a fake situation. Okay, but when you originally become a reporter, then what things you have to keep in mind, that I am going to tell you how to write a report. Okay, so I hope you have noted this down. Write a report. Okay. Number 1. First thing, while writing a report, if you are a reporter, what you have to do? You have to collect the data. Okay. So the first step is to collect relevant This is for the actual reporter. But here, let's suppose a question is given to you and you have to collect. Instead of the word collect, I can write here the value points. So once you see the question, collect or create the value points in your mind and write it down at the back of your question paper or at the back of your answer paper where you do the rough work. Okay, so those value points you have collected it and it will be very easy for you to organize it, which is the second step of report writing. Number 2, the second step is to organize the collected information or material. So clear, children? Okay. Now, the first thing while writing a report, what you did? You collected the key points or the value points in your mind. Okay, and then you write it down somewhere. And by writing a report, you then organize it in a proper manner, in a systematic manner, in a sequential manner. Okay. Then comes the third point. The third point is the third step is the proper planning to write a report. Clear? Okay. Now, so I taught you how the points which should be kept in mind while writing a report. Then I taught you how to write a report. Now I will teach you the format of writing a report in your exam. Format of writing a report. Okay, now children, do you remember when we write the article, what is the first thing we write? We give the title and then we give the byline. Yes? Similarly, in the same manner, report is written. Okay? And speech and debate are similar. Why? Because they start with the quotation, rhetorical question and then the greeting, okay, of the judges, principals. Okay? So those speech and debate are similar. Article and report writing is similar. But there is a slight difference between article and report writing. Okay? So, first comes the headline. Okay, as we write the title in the article, here in report writing we write the headlines. Remember by reading the news in the assembly, you say the headlines of the news. So that headlines. Now children, format of writing. Number 1 will be the headline. Okay, now it is very much clear into your mind that the headline should be very attractive. If you have read the newspaper and you don't read the paragraph first, what do? You read the headline and then you are attracted. Something interesting catches you towards it and then you feel like reading the entire passage. Okay, so the headline must be very attractive. As well as it should be very eye-catching. Eye-catching means it should catch your eyes. Okay? Eye-catching. Then, once your heading is done, then you write the byline. Byline, remember? Byline here means reported by. But you will not write reported by. Okay? Byline means your name. Okay? name. Okay. The third thing. So when on a sheet of, I'll give you the solved example of a children. Okay. So when on a sheet of paper, once you write the headline, then you write the byline, reported by so and so, and then you start writing it in paragraphs. Okay. So paragraph. Before starting the paragraph, we need to write over here the place. The place what? The place where the incident took place. Okay, you have to write the place, comma, then the date on which the incident took place. This is also important. Okay. Number 4. Once you write the place and the date, and then you continue from the same sentence with the paragraph number 1. So content. Now comes the content in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, content in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Now again I will say content number, paragraph number 1 will always be the, yes, introductory paragraphs. Introductory paragraphs. Okay, now children, here I need to explain you something. The introductory paragraph must have 4 points. And what are those 4 points that I am going to tell you? So the introductory paragraph must contain what? See, all these points it must contain. Okay, so it must contain the mention of, see, the introductory paragraph which I am going to write over here must have the WH questions. What is WH questions? Do you know that? WH questions: what, when, where, why, how. These are the WH questions. Okay. So the mention of the event or incident. That means what happened. Okay. Annual function happened, sports function happened, inauguration happened, debate happened. Okay. Accident happened. What happened? So the mention of the event which comes in what. So okay. So when you start writing the report, you start with what happened. Okay. Suppose that I will show you in the example. Then the next one. The next one you write the date. The date on which it happened, or the incident took place, on which it took place, which will come into when. Okay, clear? Suppose a massive accident happened on Wednesday, 29 April, so and so. Okay, so that means you mention the date and even you mention what happened. Okay. Then all these will come into the introductory paragraph. Okay. Then the place where it took place. That means it will come into the questions where. What happened? See children, WH questions. What happened? When happened? Where happened? Okay. And then the fourth one. The fourth one will be the reason of the event. Okay, that means why it happened. Okay, due to carelessness, okay, or act Then the third paragraph. The third paragraph will be the reaction. Reaction of whom? The chief guest, the parents, the spectators, the chairperson. Okay. So the public. Reaction or promises by the authorities, or even you can say statement by the people. Clear? So children, see, I showed you the format. Again, I am repeating. No, I repeated at the last. So the format is clear to you. Now I will show you one solved example of report writing. Okay. This is the last one. Okay, so let's take a question. St. Paul's School celebrated its Golden Jubilee Okay. Now, you were asked to prepare a report of this event. Okay, so you have to prepare a report. Now, while preparing a report, what points should be kept in mind? The format of the writing first, the past tense. Okay, you have to keep that means it happened. It should be written in past, and it should be in indirect speech. Okay, so all these things. So let's start. So first the headline. Okay, so headline I give Golden Jubilee celebrated at St. Paul's School. Okay, so this is my heading. Then comes the reported by line. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then what comes? This is the same as article writing, but there is a difference between article writing and report writing. One difference, which is the biggest one, which is writing the place and the day. Okay. So, Golden Jubilee celebrated at St. Paul's Schools, reported by Nidhi Sharma. I start writing my passage, paragraph number 1. Bengaluru. Oh, remember I told you have to start with the place and then the date. What's the date today? 01 May. Okay? 2020. Okay? And then you started from the same line. Okay? So, what was the first point which should be kept in mind? What happened? Remember? The event, which event happened? You have to mention about the event. Okay? So, St. Paul's School celebrated its Golden Jubilee on 30th April 2020. Now children, add Siri Ford p.m. onwards. Okay, now the format. What happened? When happened? Where happened? Just see my first line, these first paragraph, and just see that whether I have covered all the 3 points or not. What happened? When happened? Where happened? Yes? What happened? The Golden Jubilee celebration of St. Paul's School. When happened? On 30th April. Okay. So I have written here 1st May because while writing the report, when the report is published, you have to put the date on which your examination is. This is very important. Okay. And I have written here 30th April because I am writing about the event which already took place. Okay. So the function was on 30th April and I am writing the report on 1st May. Okay. The report is published on the next day. Okay. That is why we write about the past. And then I even mentioned when it happened, the time. Okay, so it was from 6 p.m. onwards. So clear, children? Here I can add some more things. The main attraction of the day was one act play which kept all the audience spellbound. Spellbound means when you are very much surprised to see something, when you like something, that is spellbound. So the people were very spellbound on seeing. See, I am writing a report of what? Of the Golden Jubilee celebration which already happened, took place. Okay. So my first paragraph is done. Now I come to the next paragraph. So what was the next paragraph? How it happened. Okay. So you have to write how it happened. So you can mention about the, I'm not writing it fully. You can mention about the involvement of the staffs, the students. Okay, what all they presented, that means what were the programs? Programs you can mention drama, songs, dance and many more things. Okay, so all these things you are going to mention it in a very clear manner, how it happened. Okay, this was the second paragraph. You have to use your own brain and your idea about writing. Then comes the third paragraph. Third paragraph you have to mention about the chief guest, which is very, very important. In this, sorry children, in the second paragraph, you can even start with the inauguration. Okay, the program started with the inauguration. Okay, by lighting the lamp. By lighting the lamp, Mr. So and so or the MLA of the area was the chief guest. Okay, then the welcome song you can say. All these things you have to mention. What actually happened on that day, on the event day. Okay, welcome song, then different programs. Okay, and when the program is over, then what do you say? This chief guest, he gives the speech. Yes, so of course he shows his gratitude towards the staff and the students. Okay, so you will mention the third paragraph. Remember what did I write in the third paragraph? The reaction, the promises, and the statement of the authorities and people. Okay, so you can say parents were very delighted to see their wards, that means their children, participating so and so. Okay, the chief guest showed his gratitude towards the staff. Clear? So all these things you will mention it clearly over here. Okay. No ending it with a thank you, no signature, nothing at the end, and your report is done. Clear, children? So let's recap very fast. Report writing, similar to article writing, starts with writing a heading, your name, then the report writing in 3 paragraphs. It is very much important to mention the place and the date. This is very important, place and the date, and your writing starts from here only. It is not that you put a place and date and then you start your paragraph from the next line. No, don't do that. You have to start it from the very first line. If you don't know, open a newspaper and see. It is mentioned in the same manner. Okay, and then you start with the introduction. What happened, when happened, where happened. Okay, that is mentioned over here. And the main point. Okay, what was the special attraction? You can mention in that also. Then the second will come your how happened, all the detail, and the third will be the what the chief guest said, what the chairperson said, what were the promises, and how did the people react, the reaction and promises. All these things will come in the third paragraph. So I hope children you understood how to write a report. I have written some assignment, I have given some assignment, and I request you all to please do it and submit me within 3 days. Thank you.